Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best PayPal slot site and where to play with PayPal. So here's the breakdown. If you want to play slot online and deposit with PayPal, choose safely. Trusted site make your gaming experience smooth and worry-free. So look for casinos that are licensed and regulated or state license. So use SSL encryption and have a clear payout policies. That way your deposit and withdrawal stay secure. So top PayPal slot sites usually offer big game libraries from trusted provider, fast PayPal deposit, and friendly customer support. So this site make it easy to spend your favorite slot while keeping your money safe in a platform you already trust. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more casino tips, and comment which PayPal slot sites you are trying first on your first deposit. And that's it.